Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to earn free coins on Voya chat, voice and group call application. So this is the interface. So simply tap here right bottom corner of your screen, it's the profile icon, and tap here the option get coins. So you can earn free money here. Couple of options you can see. Like watch ads on earned rewards, you will get 60, and browse the mini game changer, complete the real person authentication, and upload a voice signature. It's for new users, you can see here. So you can earn money. Send 10 messages to a girl, and send 10 messages to 20 messages to a girl, complete one video matching call, 60 daily. So you can earn money through this. And if you tap here unlock call bonus, then you can see here like this option.